Blocking the fire lane has only made obstruction of traffic worse in this lot.
Reveals to you shortly after that her hunter husband had gotten bitten by that same Balverine and now has become one himself. So you have to take him and his lackered by Jack's minions, and is now in the process of being man-napped from Bowerstone. Jack's minions are these weird, hunched-over creatures that sound a lot.
Going onto the Ark, things were a little bit different than what we had anticipated. Firstly, navigating that first area blind, a little bit difficult depending on which
asshole.
Covered in the sauce, put them on a clean plate, and cover them with foil for a little while, 5 or 10 minutes.
This little shitty, crappy ship has light speed, then you'd think emergency evacuation crafts would too.
It's really interesting to see how the speedrunning community has evolved over the years. But first, if you're a Halo sweatlord like us, you know what it can be like after beating a hard challenge.
Well, pretty wonderful if you ask me. The hero's journey basically looks like this. Pretty much lines right up with Star Wars.
This is a rescue.
Characters escape Star Destroyer. Characters stranded on a desert planet. Meets local.
I want to know what happened to the flag. The Perspective channel. There's the Letterbox channel, which are the traditional cinematics. All of those work together to tell our story across the entire game.
Angry emotions on the eyes, slide them up on the mouth. There's something about modeling someone that doesn't exist that never really translates as well.
Manual recording will now start.
Good.
Travel log feature, so it won't be going off in any of your travel bags. The new Manscaped Performance Package 4.0
side of Sword Base, running up the stairs and making your way into the final section of the level. But if you have a concussion right